Welcome back. Now another way to start a sway is to start from an existing document. And you can do that by going to this layout when you come into the front page of Sway and then click Start from a document. So we can start with a Microsoft Word document. Sway will then begin opening this document, and what it will do is it will try to reproduce the content into reasonable portions that you can begin to work with in Sway. Once you have your content inside of a panel, you can begin to work with the text. You can add in an image, and you can use suggested searches from Bing, YouTube, or Wikipedia. Now, of course, if you're doing this for commercial purposes, you do want to make sure that you are responsible for either giving someone credit or making sure that you only use those images that have a commercial license. We can bullet out another form, and then we can add more images. And we can change and design the background of the entire presentation. We can insert videos into Sway. And so basically we can start with existing content and we can turn it into a presentation that we know is shareable then, as well as collaborative, so that we can work on this presentation with others. So we can test our presentation by clicking the play button, so we'll see what others will see. And then we can share the presentation with others. We can alter the layout. And if we like what we've done, we can save our presentation as a template. So basically, we have a way of being able to create a visual presentation that is shareable online and collaborative through Microsoft Sway. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.